So you want to learn how to do that. Install a Retic controller. Well, you can. Easy. The tools you'll need is a drill, a level, pliers, a pen or pencil, and a screwdriver. Open up your controller and take out the parts. Generally, it's just the manual, the controller itself, and the key that's wrapped in with the screws and plugs. Right here's the wall I'll be installing this controller. As you can see, the reticulation wire is already ready to go. Take off the panel on the inside of the bottom half of the controller and take out the plug at the bottom that the wires will slot through. At the back there'll be two mounting points, the top one which you'll drill first and the bottom to lock it in place. Through that bottom hole, slide your wires through, sit it on your conduit or pipe, or slide it through if it fits. Get your pencil and mark on the wall the center of your controller. Measure down how far the locating hole is from the top of your controller. Then on your wall mark, measure that down and mark it. Grab your drill and a masonry bit that fits the same size plugs that came with the controller, or use your own like I'm doing. Put your drill into the hammer setting so it goes through the wall with ease. Mark the depth of your plug and use tape on the drill bit to know the depth you want to go. Drill into your wall, only going to your marked depth. Then push your plug in and put in your screw. Slot in and hang the controller off that first screw. Use your level to hold it in the right place, then mark through the bottom secondary hole with a pencil to locate where to drill next. Once drilled and plugged in the same way, hang your controller for the second time and screw to lock it into place. In most Retic controllers, there is batteries already installed or ones that you need to install. This ensures if you have a power outage at your house, the program inside the controller stays alive. Bare back the wire about 10mm and twist it so it's easy to install. Do that with all wires that have a station to them. In this case it's 4 plus the common wire. Use your screwdriver, in this case a Phillips head, to open up the slot that the wire needs to be placed in. Then do the opposite to grip and grab the wire to hold it in place. Give it a slight pull to make sure it's not going to come out. and now program.